Tagalog or Filipino reading na ba kayo? We have so many items for you to choose from. That one is a chart, aesthetic chart. Kung gusto nyo clean lang, wala masyadong colors, yan. And this one, super best seller namin to. Marungko ito. Ito yung step by step na pinag-aralan talaga kung paano matuto yung mga kids na magbasa ng Tagalog. For example, yun, aralin 1, MNS muna, yung sound muna ng MNS. And tuloy-tuloy na yan. And then this one naman, yung may tracing na, meron pang abacada reading, 2-in-1 na siya, plus yung sound pa ng mga letters, matututunan nyo dyan. Yan, super high quality, laminated, erasable, kung ititrace na rin yung letters, erasable yan. And may iba pang mga colors yan. We also have here yung abacada with photos, then, ayan, marami siyang sample per pantik.